Lexus wheel spacers increase the clearance by mounting between the hub assembly and the wheels, which will move outward due to the fixed position of the hub assembly. Wheel flush with or protruding from the fender will give a more visually striking stance and appearance. For the solution to the appearance can be to replace a set of aftermarket wheels with a smaller offset, or to install Lexus wheel spacers to move the wheels outward.
BONOSS has built a completely authentication system. When you get BONOSS wheel spacers, check the authentication code on the package. Each BONOSS Genius product is engraved with BONOSS, which are manufactured with BONOSS' own factory. The quality is guaranteed. BONOSS manufacturer-produced wheel spacers are made of high-grade forged 7075 T6 aluminum alloy, which features many desirable properties, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal performs good mechanical properties. Compared with ordinary aluminum alloy 7075 materials, the tensile strength and yield strength are about 5 times higher. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!